it is Sunday morning. I did not vlog at all yesterday, so sorry about that. I will catch you up with what I did. I'm having an espresso. I'm uploading a video after I have this and kind of catch up with you guys. I'm going to work out. It's about 9:43 this morning. Okay, so yesterday I slept in and then I had like a coffee Zoom date with one of my friends. She's the one that, if you watch my Get Ready With Me, my work wife, my best friend at work, she recently left for another job. So I haven't really like talked to her. Like we've texted and Snapchatted, but that was nice to just like catch up. So I'm trying to make that more of a priority of like even distancing, like through the computer, still having like an hour and a half coffee morning with some people. So that was nice. That was really fun, and we talked about a lot of things and giggled, and it was just great. And then yesterday after that, we just kind of hung around on the couch. We flipped through different football games and didn't really do much for a while, and then we got our act together and drove around a little bit, dropped off some recycling, and then stopped into one of our friends' shops to have a drink. I just had Diet Coke, but it was like probably 4:45, so they were just finishing work, coming back from their job sites and stuff, and then we just kind of chatted, and then everybody kind of split out to do dinner, and we just ate kind of a snacky dinner at home, like cheese and meat board type thing. My boyfriend started keto last week, which I didn't really know he was planning on, which is great. So I'm just kind of educating myself of what that means and dinner ideas and all those good things. Pinterest has been awesome. And he's at the point where his body, he's been doing it for about a week now, and his body's like severely craving carbs. So I found a keto peanut butter cookie recipe that I'm going to make today for him to maybe help. That is the kind of update, I guess. So today I'm going to finish my coffee. I'm going to work out, finish uploading this video, maybe upload another one later tonight for tomorrow, and bake cookies. I'm going to do bacon and eggs for breakfast or brunch whenever he gets up, and then I think we're going to go to another friend's to watch some football today. I don't really know what the plan exactly is, but I know I wanted to get a workout in. I didn't do a walk or a workout yesterday. I was scheduled to, but I just didn't, so that's okay. I'm gonna get my actual like strength training workout in today, and that's the third one of this week, so I'm hitting that goal. And then I did 2 walks this week instead of 3, which I'm not gonna beat myself up about. 5 days out of 7 is still pretty dang good. So yeah, that is the rambly update. All right, here is my keto cookie dough, peanut butter. I'm using this recipe. I'll link it, and I've got the robot going. But we'll see how this turns out. Good morning, happy Monday. Sorry, I've got my water heating up. On Mondays, I like to have these vitamin emergency things. So I make it like a tea. I just make hot water and add it to this. I've been doing this once a week since March, but before, when I was traveling, I would have it sometime in flight from like when I was going to wherever I was going, and then also sometime in flight when I was coming home. So I used to have them twice a week, but I was traveling and around gunk. So today's plan, well, last night we had chicken wings for dinner, and I went to bed around 8:40. I was so tired. Need to grocery shop, need to wash the towels and wash our sheets, and then maybe just kind of like a generic tidying up from the weekend. But that is all I know, other than it is cold out today. The high is 1 degree Fahrenheit. I don't know what the wind chill is. Let's look it up, shall we? Just kidding. It's currently -5. Feels like -23 with the wind chill. So cool. I'm gonna have to, my parka is in the back of my car, so I'm gonna have to get that out and actually wear it these days. But yeah, -5 feels like -23. Love that. What I will say is, if you're gonna do this emergency thing, get just the orange one. All the other flavors are nasty, and if you drink it hot, it's a lot easier. Than, I just don't think it tastes that good when it's cold. Like this, it just tastes like a warmed up orange juice. Yeah. So, cheers, and let's start the workday. Hi guys, I am going over to the grocery store. It is cold today. It is -2 right now, but we did get some snow, but it's kind of like, I don't know how to describe it other than a dry snow. Like, it just whips right off. It's super crunchy. You're not gonna get ice off of it. So, like when you walk on it, I mean. So, whatever. That made it easy to brush off my car this morning. But yeah, I'm gonna go to the grocery store and stock up on some stuff. Okay, so I just finished at the grocery store. They had crab legs, so I bought 2 packages, which were expensive, but gonna be worth it. We haven't had like proper seafood other than shrimp for a while, and I'm so excited. So I went like over budget, but I don't really care. It's like kind of like eating out. I'll just, you know, kind of take care of it. But I'm down here at the lake. Thought I would give you our weekly lake update. I'm actually pretty shocked that it looks the way it does. I don't know. So it was pretty well frozen, or like starting to freeze over. It's cold. We had a really cold snap last night. It was in the negatives. This morning it was in the negatives. But when I look at the lake, let me flip you around. There's a lot of open water there. So I guess, you know, it just maybe because it was warm the days before. I mean, it's absolutely freezing fast, but I just am kind of surprised to see that open water, considering last week we had this little area, and this is a thin area, should have been pretty well iced over. So I don't know if it was the snow. Nobody asked me. I'm not an expert on this, but thought I'd give you a little update. And I'm gonna go home, unload the groceries, and I'll give you a quick clip of everything I bought. I am finishing up some work, and then I'm going to run to the store, pick up a few things. I also feel like my house is just like cluttery, so I'm going to spend probably a half hour just like picking up. It's mostly the room that I keep like my clothes and stuff in. I did laundry last week, only put some of it away, so I just have shit everywhere that I need to figure out. But I wanted to show you my new shirt. So this is from Maggi Woolen Mills, which is a company in northern Minnesota, and this is like a really thick flannel. This is a men's large. I really didn't know what size. I definitely could have gotten away with a medium, but it's super warm and comfy. I just have a long sleeve under it. I can wear this as like a full sweatshirt and still have space in it, which is nice actually, to have like something kind of oversized and cozy, but it's like wicked long. So that's kind of fun, but I like it. I bought a couple of these for my dad for Christmas. So yeah, I went up there on Monday and got them. And yeah, anyway, that is the kind of update. Today is Wednesday. I've been awful at vlogging this week. I'm so sorry. But today, I'm going to do those errands. Need to work some more this afternoon. And then I need to work out. And I also kind of want to go for a walk. Like, I kind of want to do both. So we'll see how that goes. Alright, I went to the grocery store. Then I went to the post office. And the line was way too long for it to be, like, worth it for me right now. So I am heading home. But thought I'd give you another little lake update. It has frozen over again since we last talked about the lake on Monday. Today's Wednesday. But like thin ice still. So anyway, I'm just going to flip you around and show you. Okay. So hopefully you're going to see a good view of it. So yeah, that's the update. Looks more and more like a frozen lake each day, hoping it stays that way. And now I'm gonna go home. I gotta make lunch and get back to work. Hey guys, I'm just wrapping up work today. I'm going to put my workout clothes on and get a leg workout in. I'm not going for a walk, it's already dark. I missed my opportunity, but tomorrow I'm gonna go for a walk. And then dinner tonight, Asian chicken, which I might film bits and pieces of that, but I think in the future I'm going to do like an actual cooking video about it. We'll have to see. I did a cooking video this week. It was my first one, so I'm like nervous, but I think it went okay. So maybe I'll try to do one for the Asian chicken sometime, because it is so yummy, and it's all about the sauce really. So anyway, I need to stop procrastinating. I need to go work out. Hi guys, it is Thursday. I'm out for a walk. Having a really rough day at work, so I just need to get out of the house and clear my head. Everybody in my group seems to be reaching their breaking points, and it's really hard to feel overworked and underappreciated and unheard. You know, it's just everybody seems to be down right now, so I'm trying to do something positive for myself. I'm out for my walk, and we'll just see where the day takes us. I'm having kind of a late lunch. I worked all morning, so I'm not going to feel guilty about it. I'm doing something that's good for my mental health, and we'll take it from there. But if you guys are feeling that way, I think a lot of people are, and I think working from home is kind of like exasperating it a lot, or making things harder in a lot of cases. I love working from home. However, there are some things that my company has been doing since we've been working from home I'm not okay with. Like, for example, because I'm in a travel position, I would never travel to a customer the week of Christmas, the week of Thanksgiving. Like, that was off. You couldn't, no, that was like, no, we're not going to send people. But this year, I've been asked both times, and I'm not the only one, and it's kind of like, no, you're going to do it. And to me, that's kind of crossing a line at some point. Like, no, I'm going to take time. I'm going to have those kind of weeks of catch up. But I just kind of feel disrespected in that piece of, like, being forced into something like that. So, anyway, nothing I can change in this moment. Nothing you guys can change in this moment. So let's just enjoy the outdoors and our walk, shall we? I am getting ready to have a bath. I'm so excited. Thursday night, bath night. Here we go. I have had just a rough day, like I kind of talked about in my walk earlier, but you know what? Whatever. I'm not going to let work, which, you know, is a big part of my life, but it's only 8.5 hours of my day, ruin the rest of my day, you know what I mean? Like that's not worth it. Have a bath. I just made a cocktail. Put my hair up to preserve it for tomorrow. Get that little wrap action going there. Right on. And I'm going to do a face mask, this milk watermelon brightening face mask. I pulled it in my, what do you call it? DIY Advent today.
but I need to wash my face quick. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna hop in the bath and I'm gonna enjoy the rest of my night. So that is my plan. Talk to you guys later.
Happy Friday, guys. I am just making my coffee now. It's like, I don't know, 10 o'clock, something like that. Let's see. Oh, 9:30. Feels like it's already been a whole day. But yeah, we just are cruising right along. It's Friday. We might go ice fishing tonight. We'll see. I don't really know the whole logistics. We need to like get some stuff done in order to do that kind of a thing. So we'll see if we actually can get all those things done or not. But that is kind of the update. I also want to show you the new addition to the side of my fridge, which is my chicken scratch. So I have my inventory of what's in the freezer and then all the meals I can make and things like that. It's just kind of like a brain dump, but this is wet erase. So like if I lick my finger, I can just get it off of there. See? So that's pretty cool. And it has truly improved my kitchen management. So that's all I know. It's snowing. I could show you that, I guess. So we got some snow. Kind of stopped. Well, actually it's going a little bit, but yeah. Okay, so we didn't go ice fishing, but we did buy this Clam, which is like an ice tent thing. It took us 3.5 hours to put it together, so we did not go out ice fishing, but it does pop down into this nice little sled, so we're going to take it out tomorrow, and that is the kind of update.